Hey, so if your image is not processing in Clipdrop, yeah, like it gets stuck uploading, never loads, or shows a processing error, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, image processing needs a strong connection to upload and generate results. Next, yeah, refresh Clipdrop and try again. I mean, temporary glitches can block processing requests. Now, large images can fail to process. I mean, compress your image before uploading for better results. Yeah, make sure you're using JPG or PNG. I mean, unsupported formats can cause processing errors. Now, switch to Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I mean, browser issues can block AI processing tools. Yeah, extensions can interfere with Clipdrop scripts. Try disabling them temporarily. Now, open Clipdrop in incognito mode. I mean, this removes cache and extension conflicts. Yeah, sometimes the issue is not your device. I mean, Clipdrop servers may be overloaded or down. If nothing works, try another image. I mean, some complex images can fail processing. So yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop image not processing errors. Most of the time it's file size, browser issues, or server load. Try these steps and it should work again. Thanks for watching.